So, hello, dear students. Today we are going to start the third stanza of the poem The Coromandel Fishers, and it is the last stanza of this poem. So, let us begin explaining the last stanza. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the scents at the full moon with the sounds of the voices we love. So the poet Sarojini Naidu is giving the description of the seashore, and she is telling that sweet is the shade of the coconut glade. Coconut glade means the leaves of the coconut. That means the shade that is due to the reflection of the coconut leaves. So the poet is telling that the shade which is produced due to the reflection of the coconut leaves are sweet, and the scent of the mango grove, and the scent of the mangoes that are on the trees. Okay, so the poet is giving us a description of the seashore. At the seashore, what we find? We find the coconut trees, we find the mango trees, the smell, the scent at the seashore is sweet, is fresh, is refreshing. Sweets are the scents at the full moon with the sounds of the voices we love. Again, the poet is telling that sweets are the scents at the full moon. At the full moon, the moonlight directly falls on the sand and it produces a glitter at the seashore. And the poet is telling that the sands at the seashore are also sweet when the moonlight falls on it with the sounds of the voices we love. And the sounds of the voices we love, what are the voices that we could hear at the seashore? That the voices are the waves, are the sounds of the waves that we can hear at the seashore. So the poet is telling that at the seashore we can get the sweet shade of the coconut tree, we can get the sweet smell of the mangoes, we can also get the sweetness of the sand which glitter when the moonlight directly falls on it, and we can also hear the sounds of the waves, the sounds of the sea waves when we sit at the seashore. But the poet is telling that there are some more things which are even sweeter than those things. So what are they? But sweeter, O brothers. O brothers means the fishermen. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild forms glee. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray. The kiss of the spray means when the fishermen they sail at the sea, and when the water of the sea it strikes on the boat, and the sprays of water which fall on the fishermen, these sprays of water are so sweet, they are sweeter than all those things at the seashore. And the dance of the wild forms glee. Wild forms glee का मतलब होता है डांस इन डिलाइट. सो पॉइंट यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि और जब वो पानी के बूंदे जब उन फिशरमैन के ऊपर गिरता है तो वो खुशी से सब लोग मिलके नाचते हैं. रो ब्रदर्स रो टू द एज ऑफ द वर्ज where the low sky meets with the sea. रो ब्रदर्स का मतलब होता है, रो का मतलब होता है सेल करना. सो poet is telling that asking the fishermen to sail to the edge of the verge where the low sky meets the sea, मतलब where the sun sets, that means the horizon. So the poet is asking the fishermen to sail at the sea, to sail around the sea and go to a place, and go to that place where the sun sets. So dear students, in this poem, the poet Sarojini Naidu gave us a clear description of the life of fishermen, and also the seashore. I hope you all understood the poem. If you have any problem, you can ask me, you can text me, or you can call me. Thank you.